Today we're making a bacon, lettuce, and tomato sandwich. Your ingredients are bread, bacon, lettuce, cheese, mayonnaise, and tomatoes, with avocado on the side. You'll need a fry pan on low to medium heat. Bacon cooking on medium heat for the BLT. Turning bacon to get it medium to medium well done. Bacon getting closer. Bacon is ready. Remove and place on paper towel to remove some of the oils. We're using whole wheat bread with a light spread of mayonnaise, lettuce added to the BLT, tomatoes added to the BLT, bacon added to the BLT, bacon, lettuce, and tomato. BLT, bacon, lettuce, and tomato with cheese on lightly toasted bread with mayonnaise and avocado and milk on the side.